And welcome back everybody, and welcome to another video. This time we are at the airport. However, we are not at the airport, be it Heathrow or Luton or Stansted. We are at Gloucestershire Airport and we are about to fly a Boeing 737. Well, not exactly fly a Boeing 737. We are about to get into 1 hour flight simulator for a Boeing 737. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Yeah, perfect.
Is that alright, yeah? Go to the nose of the aircraft, going to swing to the right, and we're going to take off on the side runway. So runways, numbers on opposite compass directions, yeah. And then we take the left hand side one here, which runs in that direction with the runway. So we're going to take off and fly towards London Mountain Thames, okay, and we'll slowly go towards London now.
Okay, so we're going to fly to especially when it's slower.
That's it. Good. Good. That'll do. That's good. Is that fully count the feet?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, both hands on the controls for me. Power is set. Which is nice. Then it keeps on. Good. Speed is now 100 knots.
Yeah.
So the airport itself is only 50 miles away. Great.
Yeah.
Good. Body's coming off the centre line, looking good. Hold that there for a second. We're going to nudge back to that in a second. Okay, come left for me. Left and centre, good. a right-hand intercept to line up on the runway. So we're going to descend now to about 8,000 feet. So with the RWB selector here, just flick left to 8,000 feet for me if you can. That'd be great.
Yep.
Perfect, that's good. Because the aircraft's on a slow descent.
Yeah.
Go into the runway, right turn. So soon we're going to start that approach. So with the nose up runway, we're in 2,000 feet. We'll lift up remain nice and slow to the right. Thanks. Scan good. 5 miles zooming in, so it's the sunlight's going to get up approach to the top of the sled. Yes, it's one of the runways ahead. It's like 3, 10 in total.
Yeah.
And that's the advanced and center line as well. Making sure that that's fine. Just make sure we stay below 5 degrees. Good, the altitude nicely. I'm seeing the outside of the runway is a little bit clearer now. Just pull up a little bit, just a little bit. Good, that's great. So the center line is slowly approaching us. So we're clear now, about 2.5 degrees blue side, just so we can slowly descend. Good.
Approaching minimums. 40, 30, 20,
Same time, good. There you go, threshold ahead. Looking good.
10.
Perfect. First thrust, these 2 levers here, all that nice and slow for me.